22 beautiful places in Nainital are Bhimtal Lake. It is located at a height of 1,200 meter above sea level and is named after Bhima from the epic Mahabharata. Bhimtal is spread over an area of 47 hectares and is home to a diversity of aquatic life. During winter, one can see a number of migratory birds perching here. The lake has an island in the middle, where a restaurant, a temple, and an aquarium with a variety of fish species are located. Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, spread over an area of 47 square kilometers, the Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary is host to more than 200 species of native and migratory birds and endangered species like Indian red fox, jackals, pine martens and porcupines. It also houses leopards, gorals, wild boars, cuckers, monkeys and Himalayan black bears. Jim Corbett National Park. It is spread over an area of 520 square kilometers. Renowned for sheltering the Royal Bengal tigers of India, the park also houses more than 650 species of native and migratory birds, along with over 50 species of raptors, 33 species of reptiles, 7 species of amphibians, 7 species of fish and 36 species of dragonflies. Some rare species like the endemic fish-eating crocodiles and otters can also be spotted. A wildlife safari either in an open jeep or on the back of an elephant proves to be a memorable experience here. The park is one of the few places in the country that allows visitors to stay overnight. Corbett Museum, located at Kaladungi. It is a bungalow that earlier belonged to Jim Corbett, the well-known tiger conservationist, and contains his memoirs, his personal belongings, letters written by him as well as his friends and well-wishers, antiques and rare photographs. Dorothy Seat. It offers an effortlessly breathtaking view of the entire area, along with the surrounding hills. It is also known as Tiffin Top, and is a popular picnic and photography spot. Hanuman Garhi, dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the Hanuman Garhi temple is situated to the south of Talittle. It is believed to have been built by a famous local saint, Neem Karoli Baba, in 1950. The statue, about 22 feet high, stands against a backdrop of the panoramic Himalayas. Kenchi Dham, an ideal stop for peace seekers and meditators, the Kenchi Dham ashram is nestled in the Kumon Hills. Dedicated to Sri Neem Karoli Baba Maharaj, a local saint. Khurpatal Lake. The emerald blue-green hues of the Khurpatal Lake set it amongst the natural jewels of Nainital. Lying amid lofty pine and cedar trees and beautiful surroundings, the lake is a magnificent sight. It is known for angling opportunities as it has a good harvest of fish. Kilberry. It is one of the country's most popular birding routes. The Kilberry Bird Sanctuary is home to more than 580 species of birds. It also houses mammals like leopard cat, sambar, red fox etc., with oak, pine and rhododendron ensuring a verdant landscape. Land's End. It is aptly named as it marks the final point after which stands an iconic cliff and there is no land. Located at an elevation of 2,118 m, it gives panoramic and exhilarating views of the forests, mountains and valleys surrounding the Khurpatal Lake. Mukteshwar. It is a quaint hill town set amidst lush coniferous forests and sweet-smelling fruit orchards. Mukteshwar has been named after Lord Shiva, who is worshipped here as the one who offers moksha. Munsiari, known for its picturesque beauty and trekking excursions, Munsiari has truly emerged as a heaven for adventure lovers and high-altitude trekkers. Often referred to as Little Kashmir, Munsiari shares its border with Tibet. Surrounded by the sun-kissed Panchachuli peaks, a group of 5 snow-capped Himalayan peaks, Munsiari leaves you mesmerized with its natural beauty. Naina Peak, it is also known as China Peak or China Peak, is the highest peak in the area. This topmost point not only gives a view of the majestic Himalayas, but a sweeping vista of the entire city. From this quiet place, mountains of the Tibet border can also be seen. Naina Devi Temple, lying on the northern part of Naini Lake, the Naina Devi Temple, dedicated to local deity Naina Devi, is a popular spiritual stopover. The temple is one of the Shaktipithas and draws devotees from all over the region. The Sanctum Sanctorum houses three deities, Goddess Kali on the left, Lord Ganesha on the right, and two eyes representing Naina Devi in the center. Legend has it that once Goddess Sati's father held a yajna, a holy fire ritual, and failed to invite his son-in-law, Lord Shiva. Angry at her father, Sati immolated herself in the yajna. After this, Lord Shiva carried her body on his shoulders and performed his dance of cosmic destruction, Tandav. Fearing that this would destroy the world, Lord Vishnu severed Sati's body with his chakra. It is believed that her eyes fell at the spot where the temple now stands. Naini Lake, it is one of the major attractions of the hill station. A picturesque spot, it is surrounded by 7 hills that are mirrored in its blue waters, giving it a greenish hue. The Naini Lake has been divided into 2 sections. The northern part is called Malital and the southern is known as Talital. The best time to visit the lake is during the annual boat riding festival. Nanda Devi Mela, one of the most important festivals in the region. Nanda Devi Mela takes place every September and sees a celebration of the local life through folk songs, dances, and a big market with handmade products. It is held at various places such as Almora, Nainital, Bageshwar, Bhovli, and Kot, and the far-flung villages of Johar. Naukuchiatal, it is a quaint village that lies at an altitude of 1,200 m above sea level. This offbeat stopover is ideal for those looking to immerse themselves in peace and quiet. Naukuchiatal is known for its 9-cornered lake that is about 1 kilometer in length and 40 m in depth. The village is blessed with pristine beauty and peaceful surroundings, and thus is a great place to rejuvenate both body and soul. Pangot, it provides shelter to a wide variety of birds like slaty black forktail, lammergare, the Himalayan griffon and Khalij pheasant. You can head to Snow View Point and Kilberry, that are ideal vantage points for spotting birds. The lush jungles of Pangot also shelter species like leopards, gorals, barking deer and sambhar. Those interested in adventure sports can visit the trek route from Pangot to the Naina Peak. Sattal, a cluster of 7 interconnected lakes, Sattal is located about 22 kilometers from Nainital. The surrounding area is home to more than 500 species of resident birds, 20 species of mammals, over 525 species of butterflies, and more than 11,000 species of moths. A freshwater spring named Subhash Dhara comes from the dense forests of Sattal. Sattal has an interesting myth associated with it. According to the epic Mahabharata, King Nala and his wife Damayanti drowned in one of the 7 lakes while they had been exiled by the king's brother. Thus, that lake was named as Nal Damayanti Tal. Snow View Point, it offers sweeping and panoramic views of the city of Nainital. It is said to be one of the best viewpoints in Nainital, and visitors can see also Nanda Devi, Nanda Kot, and Trishul peaks from here. State Observatory. This observatory is located on the outskirts of Nainital and is a hub of astronomy learning. The clear sky of Nainital gives one a splendid view of the twinkling stars and constellations, and this is what prompted the government to set up an observatory here. The State Observatory houses one of the most advanced telescopes in the country. Visitors can see celestial objects through the telescope, which is used by experts to calculate the movement of planets, stars, and other heavenly bodies to great precision. Nainital Zoo or Sherkadanda, it is among the most attractive tourist spots in the region. It is home to many endangered species, besides several mammals like the Himalayan bear, Tibetan wolf, leopard, Royal Bengal tiger, sambar, barking deer, ghoral etc.